Hi, let me show you how to use Siri on iPhone. For that, firstly, we need to enable it. So let's go in Phone Settings, start scrolling down to find Siri section. Now you need to select Talk to Siri and firstly enable voice activation. For that, you can pick either Hey Siri or just Siri and Hey Siri. So I'm gonna pick this first option, and now we can see the suggestion to turn on Siri. I'm gonna tap it, and now we need to set it up. So this is for Siri to recognize our voice when we'll trigger it. For that, we need to tap continue and say aloud everything what we'll see on the display. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready to go, so we need to click done. And if you want to, you can also press side button for Siri, so let's enable this one as well. Then we can go in language, and here you need to pick language, of course. And if you want to use Siri on your lock screen, then enable Siri when locked. So the switch will be green. Then you can pick Siri's voice as well as language. So we got here male voices as well as female.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the colors of the the colors of the sky.
And yep. Also in Siri responses, we can set to prefer silent responses or prefer spoken responses. We can show Siri captions and show requests. Also, you can use Siri to hang up your calls. So for that, you need to enable this one. Also, you can enable it to announce incoming calls. Here you can enable messaging with Siri. You can set your information here and delete Siri dictation and history. Now, if you're using phone with home button, then you would need to press and hold it to activate Siri, or just trigger it with the help of saying, Hey Siri, just like that. If your phone is with gesture navigation like that, then you need to press side button for Siri, or again trigger it with just voice triggering. And now if you're planning to talk a lot, then hold side button while you're talking, and when you're done talking, just release the button. And with this way, Siri can listen to you much longer. And yep, let's try this out. I'm gonna ask Siri to set a timer. So, hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, counting down.
And yep, now timer is all set, and here it is. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.